So here's how to check Aliexpress commission rates. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First things first, log into your Aliexpress affiliated account. Access the commission rate information. Once you are logged in, navigate to the affiliate dashboard or the main page of the affiliate program. Look for the section or tab that provides information about commission rates. This section may be labeled as Payments Commission Rates, Commission Rules, or Program Details. View the commission rates. In the Commission Rates section, you should be able to find the commission rates for different product categories or types. Aliexpress offers different commission rates based on the type of product you promote. Check specific product rates. Additionally, some affiliate programs offer different commission rates for specific products or promotion. If you have a specific product in mind, you may be able to search for it and find its associated commission rate. Understand the terms. Make sure to review any terms and conditions related to the commission rates to ensure you comply with the rules of the Aliexpress affiliate program. Please note that commission rates may vary over time, and Aliexpress may update its affiliate program details. So, it's a good idea to check the official Aliexpress affiliate program website for the most up-to-date information on commission rates. And there you have it. You've learned how to easily check Aliexpress commission rates for different products through the affiliate portal.